Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So guys, if you're trying to install some apps on your iPhone in iOS 26 update but you're facing this issue and you're unable to install the app, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device, and from here go to general and then go to software update and check if there is any update available for you. Then you have to simply update it, and after this go back and from here scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here. Then go back and tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly, and after this go back and now go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and then go back and tap on transfer, reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply scroll it below and tap on screen time, and from here scroll it below and go to content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here. So guys, do this and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply open Sport app on your iPhone. You can get this from App Store, and from here you can get any kind of help from the Apple Sport team. So guys, from here you can get any kind of help from the Apple Sport team, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed by the Apple Sport team. So guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.